Welcome friends, Favaz with you from Shaastec International. We build warehouses with a lot of passion. This video I would like to give you one warehouse optimization technique, that is cubic space utilization. So as you know the cubic, what is meant by the cubic? Length, breadth and height. Of course, we have to consider the length of warehouse, width of warehouse and the height also we have to consider, because we have to use each space of the warehouse up to the brim. That is our main intention. Okay, so in that case we can focus on the utilities areas inside the warehouses, and the same times that aisle space, then other office amenities, then office spaces, everything. So we should consider to use all the areas, that maximum areas inside your warehouse, to get best ROI for your warehouse. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.